Hello everyone, we're back at it again with the one and only Ujan Arabic Mawaka. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so we can grow the channel from 0 to 1k subscribers in one freaking year. It's a different day, a different video, but we all know the real is back, the veil is back, Flow Bananas now peeled us back. It's J. Cole with Applying Pressure. And don't mind this, guys. I'm doing this reaction on my study break. So I'm doing this reaction on my study break. The time is literally... What's the time? The time is literally 2 a.m. The time is 2 a.m. So I thought, let me do this reaction. J. Cole applying pressure, putting their foot in their neck. It's freaking cold.
Yeah, nigga. The off season.
Who would have thought J. Cole could look more bummy than ever? And is dancing in the subway. Now he's a straight bum with the dreads. Yeah, man. Let's take it back.
Yeah.
I know the song by the way.
Yeah, nigga. The off season. The off season, nigga.
And I have to say this, the album is a classic.
We offing niggas.
We're offing. We're killing niggas.
Offing niggas. Yeah. Applying pressure, started my grind with crime festers, and now I'm showing like they in they second trimesters. That's why when niggas throw a shot or two online, I pay no mind to they benign gestures. Nigga, please, I got my mind on much bigger things to say the least. My latest speeches sound like they was released by David.
That's Dave East. If you don't know Dave East, he's a rapper. I haven't listened to his shit in a long time, so I won't say he's good. But the last time I checked, he was hella good. I don't know now. I just see him in people's videos doing the same thing that he's doing in this one. Just appearing there. Not singing, not rapping, but yeah.
These verses hit hard, never pitched hard or played the streets. These niggas whips hard, behind closed doors, can't pay the lease.
Oh, this niggas whips hard, but behind closed doors, can't pay the lease. That's empty talk. That's what I call it, empty talk. Got that Mercedes tattooed on his neck. Only to find out he didn't have a Mercedes. But now he does. Now he's getting the guap. Good thing he went solo. These rappers, they flexing on the net. I got a $1 million chain. I got a Rolex. Behind closed doors, he can't pay all his bills.
Ain't nothing wrong with living check to check, cause most have to. Instead of capping, why don't you talk about being a broke rapper?
Facts.
That's a perspective I respect, because it's real what it's like to be nice as fuck, but gotta stress to pay the bills.
I think that line of what he respects is, why don't you rap about being a broke rapper? That's how hip-hop started. The guys like Ice Cube and all of them, they rapped about being poor. They rapped about what they see, gang violence, literally everything. Police brutality, and they made it big. Groups like the NWA, the Wu-Tang Clan, Questlove, yeah, classic.
That was me in 08, seeing no cake, not even on dates. I celebrated my birth, just did the mental math and calculated my worth. Shit crazy, didn't know I got more M's than the real.
Wait. He said that was him flexing around 2008, wearing that expensive clothes. But he wasn't seeing no cake. Cake as in money. He wasn't seeing the cake. But he had to flex because now suddenly, no, I'm an up and coming rapper. I have to act the part. Get the fuck out of here.
Slim Shady video, big boss, let's Rick Ross.
I have more M's than a Slim Shady video. You know the song by Eminem, Real Slim Shady? Every character in that video is acted by Eminem. So he has more M's. Marshall Mathers, which is Eminem's real name, and it's all about his millions. Then a real Slim, there's a lot of martial matches in that video, so it has a lot of M's, a lot of millions. Then a real Slim Shady video.
Like a wavy hideo, Kojima, they tote steamers round the way we tippy toe. Round crack vibes and cold-blooded killers, no reptiles, just projectiles for niggas salty. You rockin'
Cold-blooded killers, no reptiles. He's not talking about crocodiles when he says cold-blooded killers. No, he's talking about real dudes, niggas that spray, that clip, that pill, that banana back, whatever they call guns. There's a lot of names for clown. That stick will hold up that stick. Americans, yeah.
Killers, no reptiles, just projectiles for niggas salty. You rockin' the fresher textiles. I seen best pals grow up and switch. Sometimes over a couple dollars, more often over a bitch. I could cap it.
That's like one thing I feel like it's bullshit that guys fight over. Never fight over a girl. No matter what, it doesn't matter if it's your homie or not your homie. No, my pride, get the fuck out of here. Never fight over a girl.
Say that I never scratched my jealousy ditch, but thank God I conquered that, cause if not I'd never be rich. Envy keep your pockets empty, so just focus on you. If you broken, clowning a millionaire, the joke is on you. Money ain't everything, I never say that, but niggas throw stones knowing they sell their soul to get wherever they at. Just know these verses.
Niggas throw stones, but know very well they'll sell their soul to get wherever they're at. That guy you're judging, like Big Xhosa, for example, the guy you were judging, for you to get that fame that he got, you would sell your freaking soul. But you're like, this guy, weak, don't know why he's trending. Get the fuck out of here.
This some shit they gon' forever play back, nigga.
Replay value, repay value.
Fuck, you know what it is, nigga. Don't even, man. Niggas try to act like they're a bitch. That's why I gotta
speak your shit, Cole.
Niggas just try to act like you just not that motherfucking nigga. Like you just really don't do it how you do it. Like niggas really try to act like you don't do what you do. Nigga look you dead in your face and really act like you don't do it like the level that you do it. That's why sometimes you gotta come through and just do it at the level that you do it in front of every nigga face, so they know the difference between you, the real niggas,
and the pretenders,
and the motherfucking fraudulent niggas, man. Don't never get it fucked up. If a nigga can't do it like you do it, sometimes you gotta do it in front of his fucking face, so he'll know forever. Yeah, that nigga did it how I always wanted to do it, and I'll never be able to do it like that. Bitch, it's a difference.
Applying pressure, putting that foot on their neck. Whoever's gonna drop an album this year, they feeling the pressure. Don't tell me about the album DJ Khaled dropped. Get the fuck out of here. I haven't listened to a single song besides Sorry Not Sorry, but nah. This is the album of the year. Whether you like it or not, this is the album of the year. And they did say the revolution would not be televised. But for your sake, it's getting YouTube. Never land.